All right, so once you have it all plugged in, all you have to do is come onto the controller, press this bottom button. And when it lights up, it's telling you what things are moving. If you look right here, you can see the middle of the chair is moving. And if I want the neck, that part up here, I have to come up here and hit it. You're gonna notice it goes two directions. When I press it this way, this one starts to move. You see that? Now, if I want to change that movement, let me show you so you can see it better. See how it's moving? If I want to change that movement, I just press it again, and it goes the opposite direction. Now here I can change the movement by pressing that. And now it's going to go like this. It's going to rock back and forth. I can go over here and it will go rolling, and it just goes up and down just like that. You follow me? All right, and then if I want to go back to the original, I just go there. You can do spot here also. That means if you get a spot in your back you want it to work on, you just hit that, and now it's going to work on that. To get out of spot, just hit rolling again and then come back here. All right, you can see we're working all three edges. Now down here I can increase air on the side by pressing this. All right, and these things will start to fill up. You see that? See how they're getting full air? And that's kind of pushing against your external oblique. If I want to do the seat, I hit this, and now the seat will start to fill up. Here, take a look, you'll see. See how these are filling? All right, now I want to turn on heat, I just press that. All right, so now here we are, look. We got everything going, right? You see that? Now when you get this, it's gonna come in that box, of course. You gotta put it on a chair, and then you just sit back and let it do its thing. I've done that, and I'm gonna show you that in another video. But that's basically how the controller works. And when you're done and you wanna turn it off, all you gotta do is hit this. And bam, Bob's your uncle, ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.